Okay, so we have a flower here, a set of orchids that has a green color cast to it. What's the skin of a flower? It's the petals. So the same technique that we use to remove skin cast, the ruddiness of skin cast, is the same technique that we can use to remove the color cast out of this flower. Let's take a look. We're going to click on the adjustment layer hue and saturation. We're going to select greens because that's what we want to remove. Click on the positive eyedropper. Sample the color that we want. You see how this shifts over here. Select on the negative eyedropper. Click that to reduce the area that we don't want it to affect. We want to keep the yellow, but we want to get rid of the green. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the hue slider to where I remove out the green. So now that I've done that, I'm going to fill this with black. Select B for brush, select an opacity of 50%, increase my brush size a little bit, and I'm going to proceed to paint in this area. Now, holding the Command, Shift, and F key, what that will do is bring up the Fade tool. Now, I set my opacity at 50% because I know that it's either going to be 100% or it's going to be either above 50% or below 50%. So why not start at 50% if the scale is from 0 to 100? So let's move this in, and it looks like, for me, 72% is what it is that I need it to be. So let's come over here, paint the same area right there. Again, bring up the Fade tool. Let's move this up, see if that's what we want. 67% there. All right, come back in over here. Let's brush in this whole area right down here. Again, Command Shift or Control Shift F. Click OK. Now that's how I would remove the green color cast out of this image.